Hey guys, how are you doing? This is Jordan, and I'd like to share with you quickly in this video this opportunity about dollar franc. Now it's very interesting because it all starts from the weekly chart, where as you can see the last push up is already providing this fantastic level that we just spiked through. Okay, this is the 61.8, slightly above parity level. And the other interesting part here is the fact that we have a potential bearish divergence as well. So that puts extremely good bearish pressure for the pair, and this is where it all starts from. Now the next thing that we're going to discuss is on the daily chart, and you can see that the next double leg right here is also forming divergence. So basically this is leg number 1 of the weekly chart, this is leg number 2, and leg number 2 is formed of a leg on its own. This double wave also is reaching 61.8 of its cycle. The divergence is there, and you can see already a very strong reaction from that level, or as we call it, a magnet zone. So my idea here would be simply, if you did not trade the false convergence here, wait for this trend line to be broken down, which is already going to provide, we can even drop to the 1 hour chart, lower lows already provided. So waiting for break below, and pullbacks should be providing us with the opportunities to sell. So that's all. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments, please leave them below the video. Of course, don't forget to join us in our free Telegram group, the links to which are also below the video. Wishing you a wonderful day. Thank you for watching.